Hi guys, I just got back from the job centre and the food bank. Managed to get 2 bags worth of food, which I will go back. I will go through when I get back. Job centre. Couldn't answer the questions I was asking them about extra financial help. So I'm living off £60 per month. I'm just getting this train. Got a bit distracted then. As I was saying, the job centre couldn't answer the questions I was asking about getting financial help. As it currently stands, I'm living off £60 per month, and I'm spending pretty much all of that on transport costs to and from job centre, food banks, job interviews. They keep saying managers can answer the question, but there's no managers about, so so they've referred it to whoever decision makers, management, whoever sorts out the payments. Anyway, going to jump on the train and then get back home, and then go through the food bank parcels. Have fun.